Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Clock Secret Camera, Ultra Small Wi-Fi Remote Camera, Infrared Night Vision 6 LEDs with IR cut. All glass ultra high definition 166-degree wide angle lens, support motion detection, voice monitoring, support remote viewing on Apple Android phones, tablets. Dice Mini Camera. It is small, the function is quite powerful, and the 4 night vision lights are built in. It can shoot high-definition images in all kinds of extreme environment, and record the wonderful moments of every second. Folding knife. The handle is made of wood and has an excellent feel and appearance, making it more suitable for your palm. The integrally formed blade is 50 times more stressed than the welding blade. It does not break and is more durable. Doll Dog Voice Recorder. Doll type shell, mini cute and fashion, high definition noise reduction covert recording, safety silicone cap, protects the buttons and connectors, supports the MP3 music play, interesting and practicable. Bulb Camera. Camera built in AP Wi-Fi. It will still record if you put in a place. It can be monitored without a network by AP mode. Support motion detection, alarm notifications, alarm SD rec, email alarm with pictures, save snapshots on FTP server. car exhaust tail. This is a cool exhaust pipe modification product, which is made of high-temperature resistant stainless steel and LED light. It looks like the tail of the fighter at night, with the lighting and the original airflow smoke. Spyglass's camera. 5.0 megapixel HD 1080p camera with optic frame eyeglasses with wearable camera. 1080p intelligent glasses. Super strong frame. Real-time recording in full HD 1920x 1080p. Multifunction detector. Detection mode: 1. Hit detection, 2. Vibration detection, 3. Beep detection, for LED display A detection. 5. Headset low voltage indication, built-in rechargeable battery. There is a small compass below the front of the product. USB killer. Appearance, circuit, and output voltage are different. The second generation output is about 300 V, and the third generation output is minus 300 V, negative 500 V. The second generation is more expensive because the second generation is more expensive. Voice changer, ultra thin body. Mobile phone size, thin body, a mobile phone, a sound card, a headset. Screws mini camera. Resolution are 720p and 1080p. Camera type high performance HD AHD camera. Video standard AHD. Video output 1 CH AHD HD. Max transmission distance common 75 to 3 lines, can be up to 500 m. Laser training bullet. Professionals unanimously agree that a dry fire training system is essential and a laser training cartridge is the best way to train consistently. Our tactical training laser cartridge is not always on light like other sites. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.